I'm wearing Monisha Jaising. Everybody's wearing Monisha Jaising. Really? Today?
What are you looking up for the saving?
Center. I can't cheat so much, yeah. हाँ, ये सेंटर है. कुछ 25 हाथ ऊपर है. हाँ हाँ. बताइए. Well, I'm going to expect the usual, some really beautiful Indian girls and somebody who's going to win the crown and represent, 3 girls who represent our country at different levels, and I feel very happy to be judging. लड़कियों में वही जो हर साल देखते हैं. She should be all encompassing. You know, she should have grace, beauty, a personality, dignity, because she's going to be representing India, you know, on a world platform. जी? देखिए बहुत लोगों के लिए अलग अलग मायने रखती है ब्यूटी. तो मेरे लिए I think beauty has a lot to do with how you carry yourself. So you may not be quintessentially beautiful, but if you have some really beautiful qualities, it makes you look more beautiful.
Shilpa, it's been almost 14 years Miss World or Miss Universe का title होता है. इंडिया को कभी मिल नहीं पाया. बहुत 14 साल हो गए. What's your reaction? Is it that difficult to?
No, I just think that we need to get better. So there's always scope for improvement, and it's not like, you know, we've come last or we haven't stood anywhere. But I think whether we win or not, Indian girls all over the world will always be vied for and looked upon as very, very beautiful. And we have some great qualities. I talk about Indian women. Being an Indian woman, I feel very, very proud when I'm abroad, being Indian. So whether we win it or not, I know that we're the most beautiful girls in the world.
शिल्पा यहाँ पर वुमन पावर की बात हो रही है.
जी.
शिल्पा यहाँ पर वुमन पावर की बात हो रही है, तो साइना नेहवाल जो है वर्ल्ड की बेस्ट बैडमिंटन प्लेयर चुनी गई, तो उसके लिए क्या रिएक्शन है?
I feel very, very proud. और बहुत ऐसे विमेन खिलाड़ी हैं जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय लेवल पे बहुत कुछ अचीव कर रही हैं. तो I really wish them all the very best, and I feel very proud as an Indian.
Shilpa, what's in pipeline?
The upcoming projects.
What's in what pipeline? Water? Whose pipeline? Juhu pipeline? Huh? Well, we've just started our own channel, Best Deal TV. So I'm very, very excited. Just yesterday. So yeah, I've always been in front of the cameras. I didn't think that I'd be behind the cameras someday. So just need all your best wishes. Wish me luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, I'll make everything.
So what are you looking up for? What side of that you are excited for?
We are performing today. It was a good opportunity for us. उन्होंने बोला कि it's a good platform. We should come and sing all our songs. चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ, Baby Doll, Hangover. So हम लोग आज perform करने वाले हैं मिस इंडिया में, और हमारे साथ कनिका भी होगी. So we're looking forward to have some fun with it.
What can be better than performing with so many beautiful girls? And this time, what is different is that we are performing while they're walking.
We bring them in.
We bring them in. So
We introduce them
yeah.
to everyone.
तो walk के साथ with the contestants we are singing, and it'll be like more of collaborating with them.
बहुत
So
अच्छी
it'll
एक्ट
be
बनाई है कि हम लोग गा रहे हैं और हम उनको लेके आते हैं. सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को पहली बार जब लोग देखेंगे तो उनको हम लेके आते हैं, और उनके साथ जब वो वॉक कर रही है तो हम लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. ऐसा यूजुअली आपने कभी देखा नहीं होगा शायद.
They all are very sweet and nice, very enthusiastic. देख के लग रहा था कि थोड़ी nervous हैं, लेकिन by today's rehearsal in the morning we were rehearsing, and by today they were very confident. तो सभी अच्छी हैं. Let's see who will win.
लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा. They were very comfortable, और जब हम लोग उनके साथ डांस कर रहे थे, उनको सिर्फ वॉक करनी थी और हम लोग को बीच बीच में गाते हुए उनके साथ मस्ती करनी थी। तो दे वर कॉन्फिडेंट, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस हिला नहीं और बस दे केप्ट स्माइलिंग एंड दे केप्ट वॉकिंग। सो वी हैड गुड फन इन द रिहर्सल्स।
हमारा मन कर रहा था कि हम उनको डांस कराएं, लेकिन अलाउड नहीं था। कनिका के साथ क्या है, ऊपर वाले की बनाई हुई एक केमिस्ट्री होती है कि हमारे जो गाने बन रहे हैं अपने आप ही रजिस्टर हो रहे हैं। उसकी वोकल टोन अलग है और हमारा एक पंजाबी स्टाइल है जो कि बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया। वो एक बार जो फंस गया है वो, इसलिए वो लोगों को पसंद भी आ रहा है।
कनिका हम चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स हैं, बचपन के दोस्त हैं, तो हम लोगों ने बचपन से बहुत म्यूज़िक साथ में जैम किया। तो बहुत सालों बाद दोबारा हमने इकट्ठे हुए म्यूज़िक करने के लिए, तो शायद वो हमारा जो एक आपस में बचपन का एक जो मस्ती जो थी हमारी, वो हमारे गानों में शायद ऐसी लग रही है।
You're my darling angel, baby. White kalaiya drives me crazy. Shiny icy, glitter, glitter, glittery. You're the light that makes me go hey. गोरे गोरे पैरों विच नचदी नूं पेण होवे लावां झंडू बाम सोहणीए। नच नच थक जाएगी बाहां विच मेरी, अज कर ले आराम सोहणीए। ओ बेबी डॉल मैं सोने दी, ओ बेबी डॉल तू सोने दी। मन जावे मैनू शॉपिंग करा दे, मन जावे रोमांटिक पिक्चर दिखा दे। रिक्वेस्टां पाइयां ने चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे, ओ बेबी मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे, चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे, ओ बेबी मेरी वाइट कलाइयां वे। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Universal Peace and Humanity 2014. I'm really looking forward to this year's Femina Miss India because the contestants are so beautiful. They are very confident. They are really young, vibrant and fresh. And I think hopefully India will win a lot of international pageants this year. I am really looking forward to the glitz and glamour of the show. Also, we have a lot of really interesting stars performing, so I really want to see Shahid Kapoor's performance. And Jacqueline and Kareena Kapoor, she's my favorite.
Yeah, are you looking also for Bollywood things? Bollywood में enter होने का कुछ सोचा?
Well, yes, I have just finished my first movie with my dream director, but it's a secret, so we can't talk about it. And my second movie, it gets announced on the 31st. That's Ish Forever with Shabir Boxwala, so I can talk about that one. Yeah, I'm looking forward to my debut though. I can't talk about it, but
What kind of role do you have?
it's a dream director. It's a director every girl wants to work with. It's a very talked about project, but we're keeping it a secret as of now. It releases in August. That's what I can say. Some more hints. No. He's really glamorous and he's very realistic at the same time. और वो पर्दा फाश कर देते हैं लोगों का. I can't tell you the name, but we all love him. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
I'm wearing a Gavin Miguel gown. He's the best and I love his creations.
So how excited are you about this game? Like what are you looking forward at?
I'm very excited and I think the judges are going to have a very tough time selecting those 3 people because all the girls out here are very confident, very mature and very beautiful of course. So may the best girl win.
Are you feeling some nostalgia or something because you've also been a part of this important?
Yes, of course. It feels very nostalgic because it's just like 6 months back. I've just won Miss Diva and then I went on to win Miss Supranational 2014. Well, I think I'm going to just cherish everything back out there sitting inside.